Fight.
I gon' need a boat when I leave it. Baby, call my phone, yeah, yeah. Darling, I'll be there for you, there for you.
Hi guys, it's Maya. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new, welcome cousin. How are you? Here on my channel, I give you guys YouTube tips and tricks. I do my hair when I feel cute, and I do a bunch of other stuff that you guys probably do not care about, but I'm still going to show you guys. Welcome to a hair video. I will be showing you guys this hair from Alipearl. I'm absolutely in love, and I hope that you guys fall in love too. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section down below, and let's get on with the video. So this is the box there. Come this, I'm going to use my hot comb, and I'm just going to use that to slick back all those stray hairs.
Bye.
Alright, thank you guys so much for watching. Please let me know what you guys thought about it in the comment section down below. This is a highlight wig. I'm absolutely, like, you guys, I love this hair so much. I didn't curl the back or anything. All I did was curl the front, because as I was curling the front, I realized that I actually love the pattern that, you know, the hair came with. So eventually I just decided to leave it, but of course this is a body wave, so whatever curl you put into the hair, one, it will stay, and two, it will be a beautiful wave. Don't forget to comment. Please make sure you guys have your post notifications on. Please, that really helps a lot. Also, if you enjoyed this video or want to see more, give this video a thumbs up. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. My Instagram is down below, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.
Time when you say come over.
Hey, Choppy.
He do the least for you, still you do the most. So you know me I take this shitty good. Say you don't treat her right, so me put some ice on her neck, yeah. Say it's been forever, she need me, so call my phone when you need it.